Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Introduction. Have you ever wondered which design tool is better, Canva or Photoshop? Canva for beginners. Canva is designed for beginners. It uses a simple drag and drop editor and provides thousands of ready-made templates. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and posters in just a few minutes. Photoshop for professional. Photoshop is a professional design and photo editing software. It offers advanced tools for image editing, photo retouching, and graphic design. However, it takes more time to learn compared to Canva. Speed comparison. Canva provides ready-made templates for social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, and marketing materials, and thousands of design elements that help you create content quickly. Drag and drop editing that helps you finish projects much faster. Professional designers work with layers, masks, adjustment tools, and advanced retouching techniques to achieve precise results. This level of control is powerful, but it also means Photoshop projects usually take more time than creating designs in Canva. If you are a beginner, student, content creator, freelancer, or business owner, Canva is a great choice. If you need advanced editing and professional design tools, Photoshop is the better option. Both tools are excellent, but they are designed for different purposes. Canva is best for speed and simplicity. Photoshop is best for advanced editing and creative control. Choose the tool that matches your needs and goals. You use Canva or Photoshop? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching.